Hello there, YouTube. Especially for you down there in Aussie land, Spectre Oz. I believe you missed the snow you mentioned one time. Anyway, today's the 2nd of February, 2015. And as you can see, it is snowing like crazy. I cleared this. That's how much snow we have. You can see it there. Going out to the mailbox. There's my car. Nope, no mail. Hey Oz, there's the world famous Antron. That's Crybaby the snow cat. He loves the snow. Anyway, Thor the big tree. Super scanner antennas. 2-meter antennas I don't even use anymore. Beautiful snowy day in Ohio. Yay! Thanks for watching my video.